Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Bapak-bapak, selamat pagi, bapak-bapak, ibu-ibu. In this opportunity, I would like to present my thesis entitled Mapping and Measuring Key Project Manager Competencies for Project Success in Construction Industry. This thesis supervised by Pak Rocky Adiguna. The background of the thesis is that the construction industry plays a vital role closely related with economic growth, closely related with infrastructure development, improve the social economic status, and give positive contribution to gross domestic product. In current conditions, delay and conflicts are adversely affecting the performance of construction projects. Poor performance of construction project is global issue. And second thing, in company XYZ, top 5 state-owned construction company where I work on, the researchers work on, there have been still undergoing project failure in company. From total 97 projects, there were only 45 projects, or not more than 50%, which could be categorized as on time and on budget. And it contributed to the company loss 1.9 trillion rupiah in first semester 2023. Projects is completed on time, on budget, and achieve the performance goals is considered as success, project success. Poor project performance can be caused by incompetent project manager, and vice versa. Success project performance can be caused by competent project manager. And problem statement: first, construction could still be the fourth biggest contributor of Indonesian GDP by 2030, reported McKinsey 2022. And second, the case of company XYZ, as I previously mentioned, not more than 50% project categorized as on time and on budget. And as a leader of organizations, of course, need to decide how to overcome or to minimize the project failure. In this study, researchers measured and mapped the key project manager competencies for project success in construction project through systematic literature review and Delphi approach. Research question of this research: what are key project manager competencies for project success in construction industry? And research objectives is to identify the key factor of project manager competencies in construction industry, construction project through systematic literature review and Delphi approach, which able to increase project success rate and give positive contribution to the company profit, and of course to support the company's sustainability. The research flow charts: first, collecting the identifications, problem identification, objective and scope of study, and data collection from reputable journals, Scopus and Direct Emerald, and screen for the eligibility, and study the content analysis for the selected relevant article. And after we got the success factor, key competencies of project manager from systematic literature review, and validate through Delphi approach with interview. And after we got the result, then we can check. Is answering the research question or not. If yes, the result is achieved. Those are the 14 articles resulted from literature review, screen, and content analysis. We got the 14 articles, relevant articles from the developing countries, and we read one by one the content analysis. After we got the 14, and we get it the 23 key competencies of project manager that affecting project success. Conceptual thinking, information seeking, until 23, until effectiveness and efficiency. After we got 23 key competencies of project manager, we go to the next step, that is Delphi approach. For Delphi approach, we selected 5 participants as a participant for experienced people. And Delphi approach, we started with opening with 23 factors extracted from literature review as an input for expert to confirm or to comment, and go to first round, showing and confirm, and if necessary, if the participant think she need more additional, they can add in first round. And after adding or not, we need them to make a rank 1 until 10, top 10 list, and go to the second round with a top 10 list also. Fortunately, first round and second round, the top 10 list doesn't change, so the consensus level measurement is achieved. This is the result of expert interview. We didn't know each other. There are 3 competencies adding in first round: spiritual intelligence, agility, managing diversity. The result of Delphi, we got the consensus. The consensus result is 7 consensus: leadership, technical skill, planning, monitoring and control, result orientation, financial and commercial, and communication. The results, the 7 is categorized as consensus of the key factor of project manager competencies to get the project success. Is the results. This is the top 10 project manager competencies based on literature review. This top 10 project manager competencies based on literature review, continued with expert interview. The result of consensus of the success factor of project manager competencies in construction industry are leadership, technical skill, planning, monitoring and control, result orientation, financial and commercial, and communication. Leadership is how we lead. Project leadership encompasses the skillful and systematic guidance of a team in order to achieve successful project fulfillment. Technical talents related to the technicals like engineering, accounting, taxes. Planning, this project can define that project manager can define and make a plan. Monitoring and control, project manager have capability, have skill to monitor and control effectively. result orientations, how project manager can stick to the target with the creativity along with them. Financial and commercial is like a financial skill, how to make a profit, risk management, financial solutions, how make budgeting, how to make finance the project, communications, how to deliver message, how to receive message effectively. If we compare literature review top 10 as per interview top 10, there are three differences: result orientation, strong mindset, flexibility instead of conflict management skill, organization skill, as a top 10. And research, the finding of the research reveals that both literature review approach and expert interview approach agreed that project manager competencies closely related with project success, and agreed that there were success factors of project manager competencies. Project is a temporary endeavor that with a definite beginning and end to create a unique product, service, and result. Project life cycle is the series of phases that the project phase through from its start to its completions. There is start and beginning. There is start and completions. There are phases of project life cycle: initiating, planning, executing, closing. Future study could enrich the project management competency model by investigating the dominant project management competencies required at each phase of project in developing country or focus on Indonesian context. Thank you very much for your time, and wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.